Okay, Lama, so I think you tried, right? Let me see what I can do. Just double click on it. So, so we can already see the Q1, Q2, Q3, right? So in the whiskers, we can see already the mini. So actually, I forgot to tell you that Madam also will teach you, right? So this is the box, and here you can see the whiskers. So in cats, you know, they uh, in cats in their faces you can see some whiskers, right? This is also the same post, or if we say although we call this as a box plot, the actual name is box plot and whiskers plot, right? Box and whiskers plot, that is the actual name, but for the but for the case of pronunciation, we are calling this as box plot, right? Uh, can you uh, can you all see my screen? And am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you. So we can already see the Q1, Q2, Q3, and in the whiskers here we can see the minimum, and the minimum value is 80, and the maximum one is the 86, right? Or else we can add display. Let's say we can add the range box. Once we add the range box here, right? So it also give the range, right? It means so the outline. So this asterisk marks give you the outlines, right? Don't think about the word outlines. Madam will also tell you that the outlines here, outlines, there's some of the outlines in the data set, right? You will get to know about those words, right? Don't worry. And now you can see the minimum is 80, median, max, the range, and number of observations here. And also there may be several other options. Take this, right? We try and try this one, right? Okay. Up to now, is there anything not clear to you? Right. So uh, you have completed the part 12 here, right? Okay, so one of the students asked me to explain this again, right? So, so here the box plot, right? Once you want, if you want to clear, go for modifications, you just have to double click on it. You will see the whole box plot here. So these lines are called whiskers, right? So the actual name is box and whiskers plot, but for the ease of pronunciation, we call this as a box plot, right? This is the box, these are the whiskers, right? So it gives us the 5-number summary, right? I told you what are the 5 numbers, and you already, if you keep your cursor on the box, you will see already the Q1 median, Q2 median, Q3, and the whiskers, and you can give you the minimum, and I think it's not giving the maximum, right? So all right, it's giving the maximum one. No, it's giving us the maximum one, 186. So this is the maximum one. So you can see in this stage, in this area, it is approximately equal to 186. That is why it is given under whiskers to 80 to 80, 186, right? So whiskers starting with 80 and end with 186. That is the minimum and maximum. So these are the outliers, right? These observations symbolized by using asterisk sign, right? These are outliers. Don't worry about those words. Madam will tell you what are the outliers when she is explaining the box plot, right? Now I think you are clear, right? Okay. Now I'm going to the part 30. Okay, thank you. So part 30. Find the mean and the median for LWT. Actually, we already found it, right? Mean and median we already found is Q2 using the box plot. Let's see. Let me show you another technique how to see the how to show the mean and the median using basic statistics, right? Oh, again, I'm going to share the Minitab screen. Here the LWT variable, right? Now go to the stat menu. After that, click basic statistic, display descriptive statistic, right? That case, we have to select the LWT, and here we just have to click OK. Let's see what will happen. You see, it will give you the all the descriptive statistics, standard deviation, uh, standard error. So don't worry about these things. If you don't know already, you will get to know about what is this, right? Q1, Q3, everything is given here, right? So the mean is, what is the mean? 129.81. Median, here is the median. Here. Median is 121. So what is the other word for median? What is the other word for median, Lama? Q2, right? The second quartile. Second quartile is the median, right? Okay, so the answer is median. Sorry, mean is 129. Thank you. Two. So the mean is 129. Median or the Q2 is 121. 121. Right? Okay. I have completed that part. So okay. That is a good one. So what conclusions can you arrive about the shape of the distribution by looking at these two values, at the two values, right? Now, by looking at the median and the mean, you have to tell about the shape of the distribution, right? Shape mean whether it's symmetric, whether it's a negative, whether it's a positive skew. How to say that? Right? Okay, let me right, let me draw. Right. Sorry about my drawings, right? This is the axis, right? Can you all see my screen? Can someone confirm? Okay, thank you. So that okay. Let me the color. Okay. What is this, Lama? What is this distribution? First one. I'm asking first one. This is second one. What is this? What is the distribution of the first picture? Yeah, positive. And the second is the negative, right? So our question is, while looking at these two values, median and mean, we have to identify the shape of the distribution, right? This is some kind of a theory, right? I think Madam have already told you. If not, please look at this picture, right? right? So these are the values 1, 2, 3. So in this case also we have 1, 2, 3, right? So 1, 2, right? I think you're clear about. Don't worry about my drawings, right? If let's say let me okay. So we say that if mode, this is mode. First one is the mode, right? So I will write it as MO, right? MO. Second one is the median. I will write it as MD, right? I think you're clear, right? The third one is the mean. I will write it as ME, right? This is mode, this is median, and this is mean. So if we have values like this, we say this as a positively skewed distribution, right? That means in the this is the direction that values are increasing, right? So third one is the highest one. This is the greater than sign, right? I'll use a different color, right? Mm, this one. Right, so the lowest one is the mode, second one is the medium, highest one is the mean. In that case, uh, also the highest one is the, I'll write the values later, right? So highest value is the 3, second value is the second value, and the lowest value is 1. So in that case, so let come to this picture first, right? So if the values are in this order, we call this as a positively skewed distribution, right? If the values are, let's say, let's define these three values, right? 3 is the uh, here 3 is the mode, right? I'll write it as MO. Second one is the median, right? Please write, I can't write it there. And the last one is the median, right? Now let me write this. Median, and the last one is the mean. M E, right? Median, right? If we have values in this order, we tell this as a negatively skewed distribution, right? This is just a theory, right? You just have to remember this diagram. That is all you know it need, right? Now look at now by looking these two figures, can you tell me find the find the conclusions? What are the conclusions about the shape of the distribution of the LWT? Mean, we have to observe mean, we have to observe then median. Let's see. I'm going to share the Minitab screen again, right? What is the mean? Mean is 129.81. What is the median? 121. Right? Are we clear? Everyone clear? Right? The mean is this, median is this. Right? Everyone clear up to now? Please confirm. Okay, so all right, so now I'm going to, so now let's see. So mean is 129, median is 121. So what is the biggest value? Mean, right? So where is the biggest value? Do you see? Biggest value is here. Median is 129. So median is 121. So what is the distribution? What is the shape of LWT? It is a positive skewed distribution, right? Are we clear? Please don't, if you don't know this, you will get to know. I don't know about madam's lectures. I don't know where the exact point, right? Of course, madam will cover. If you are not know about aware of these things, surely madam will teach you these things, right? Okay, I think we are clear, right? So 14, the 14 is not related to us, right? Don't need to do this one. Up to now, do we have any? Do I have any questions? Right, part 13. Did you understand what I was saying? You just have to remember these figures, right? That's all, right? Doesn't matter. So once I upload these video recordings, you can go through these recordings and get to know, right? Are we clear? Are we good, Namai?